everybody, it's your girl Patra Kiera, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 7 different outfit ideas for the week that you can either recreate or take inspiration from. It's all up to you, but let's just get straight into the video. So we're going to start off with the base outfit for this first fit. I am going to add on a sweatshirt, and I'm going to be taking this one right here. This is my North Carolina crew neck that I thrifted. And for those of you who don't know, I am from North Kakalaki. So yeah, just repping my home state. I'm going to add on these champion sweatpants right here. And this also is just the perfect look for if you are feeling just really comfy and don't know what else to put on. And for shoes, I am going to do my Patra sneakers right here. I don't know if I've done a video on them. Maybe I actually should, but I actually copped these from one of my friends who was trying to sell them. I just bought them off of her because they're the same size. But yeah, so I have these Patra sneakers right here. And we're just gonna pop those on. We got our sneakers on, the feet, and then I'll just grab my bag. So I have this tote bag right here. I'm also going to add on some sunglasses because why not? This is the final fit for just a day out in the town or run errands or go to the gym, work out, whatever it may be. This next outfit, I'm standing a little further away from the camera so that you guys can see the full thing, but this is my girls' day out outfit, I would say. I think that a basic tank is always like a necessity in my closet, and I also just think it's a necessity in everyone's closet because it's just a really good base piece. This one I have on is a brown tank, and it just says Jamaica across the top. And then I have on these Calvin Klein brown corduroy pants along with my Gucci monogram heels with the horse bit detail in the front. And I am obsessed with this outfit. In order to crop the tank, I just tied it up in the back. So we are going to add on a jacket just because it does seem to get a little chillier at nighttime. Therefore, we want to have something to keep us a little warm. And the jacket that I'm going with is my red leather coat. I think that this is perfect with the heels, since the heels have a red detail on them. I hope that you guys can see them, but they have this red detail on them. I'll make sure to do a detailed shot just so you can really see them. This overall outfit is just really cute, really cozy, and of course we have to add on a handbag. So the bag that I'm gonna choose is going to be this cow print bag because it also has the brown in it and the gold hardware details. I am going to add on these Gucci sunglasses right here. They are so adorable. And we have our outfit. Just come a little bit more up close so that you guys can see what we have to work with. So this next outfit is definitely one of my favorites. It is this long crochet dress with these really pretty like motif patterns that's kind of throughout the dress, and I paired it with my tabby boots because I just thought that the length really complemented the ankle booty. This is perfect for date night because you know it's a little skin tight, but it's still just a little bit modest, just the tiniest bit of modest. But you know we gotta add on the details to the fit. So I am going to actually put on a headband. So I'm gonna come closer so I can see. To give it like a Parisian look, I'm gonna add on the headband. The jacket I'm gonna go with is my insanely pleated statement jacket that just gives like essay vibes. So this is like high fashion date night. That's what I'm gonna call this outfit. I didn't have like a clutch, but I think that a clutch would be like the perfect piece to go along with this outfit. So this next outfit is for like a school day / work day outfit. I know that this like crochet top probably won't cut it at most people's offices, but you can always opt to do like a button down underneath if you want to layer and make it look really cool, or you can just wear a button down with the mini skirt, because of course the mini skirt is the vibe right now. Once again, I have on my white socks. If I could have white socks, these are my only white socks, but if I had some that didn't have the logo on them, if they were just plain, I would really love that, but I don't. So we're using what we have. And I am going to pair this outfit with these black loafers that I have right here. Now we have like a little schoolgirl-esque look. I'm going to throw on this Armani blazer that I have, and the top right here is Dolce & Gabbana. I'm taking my Miu Miu bag that I have right here. This bag is like beaten to filth because I wear it all the time, but I love it so much. And this is the fit. I am going to take my Blair sunglasses this time, actually. These are really cool. And we gotta look, everybody. We gotta look. So this next outfit is going to be a shopping day outfit, and I'm starting with really simple pieces, and I always opt for a really basic top and bottom to wear when I do go shopping, something that's easy to take on and off. And also, like, if I wanted to try on the top of this, just about any top would go with a black mini skirt, and just about any bottom would go with a black tank top. So I try to just make sure that I wear pieces under my outfits that are going to be easy to pair other pieces with. I am going to add on a camo little crew neck sweater right here. I am going to put back on my loafers. I have on my white socks again. Throw on a beanie, and I've been wearing this one like for a month or over a month, ever since I got it really. And this is my friend's brand. It is Marica, and yeah, it's just a cool beanie. And I will grab my tote bag that is easy to carry around. For sunglasses, I am going to take these flat list Veneta Carter sunglasses and pair them with this outfit. This is the fit. This is actually really cute too. I might wear this today. So this next outfit is the event look. It's really simple, but it's very elegant. And for me, I like to wear low cut shirts just because I don't have a lot of chest. And sometimes I can look like a little boy. So I think the lower the cut, the more feminine it looks. This right here is a Margiela bodysuit that I have on, and I paired it with these orange tab Levi's that are like a boot cut. And I'm going to add on my Margiela tabbies. This is one of the most casual looks that I have put together. And I would of course add on some sunglasses. Sunglasses of my choice are going to be the statement piece of the outfit. They are these Dior aviator sunglasses that make me look like a rock star. Fit right here is so sleek, but the sunglasses give it a little bit more character, and I just really love the pieces together, like the Margiela, the Levi's, perfect look. So this next look I would call a business casual look, I guess you could say. I think this would be a great look if you have a meeting, or this could also be like a look for work, to be honest, if you go into the office throughout the week. So I have on this Banana Republic just knitted turtleneck that's sleeveless. I have on these gray gel my socks. And for this look, I am going to go with my yall tabbies because I just think that they're really comfortable to walk around in, and you know, you're giving a little bit with the heel, it's a little bit more exciting. So I am going to take this leather coat, this leather trench, pop it on the top like so, and put on some sunglasses. So I'll take my Gucci sunglasses, and I am going to pop on just this woven bag, and we have a look. This jacket makes me think, especially with this haircut and these sunglasses, giving Matrix. Like, I'm giving real life Matrix over here. Red pill, blue pill over here. Alright, so we have made it to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you can take away a few inspirational ideas for outfits of the week and just tips overall. Make sure to like this video if you did, and I will see you in the next one.